Give me some.
Might not be a diamond, but it shines for me.
You badass.
It all feels like home.
Oh, hey, Dada.
This is tech that
That's how you feel? You gonna buy me?
the all-new Versa.
You gonna buy me, Dada?
Advanced car in its class.
It feel good to my
This is a
motherfucking
paid
teeth.
advertisement for legal services.
Where you going? Where's you going, little boy? Where you going, Dada?
Your employer doesn't have workers' comp. Call Terry Bryant, 713-973-8888.
Yeah. Come on.
Okay, maybe you don't know the name Rudy Ray Moore, but you might know his alter ego. He got a lot of notoriety for being kind of one of the raunchiest comedians and musicians and actors. And the actors who star in the film about his life and alter ego, Dolomite, didn't get to watch him growing up. That's what BackstageOL.com's Dave Morales found out when he interviewed them only for Fox.
Bad as fuck. The dog's horrible.
It's great to meet you. Good to be back. And Mama says hi.
Hey.
Here's my mom.
Hey, everybody.
That can.
Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. I don't want to kiss right now. I don't want to kiss. I don't want to kiss right now. Okay? Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Say hey, everybody. That's how you say hey, big boy. You growl at me? Say hey, everybody. You better say hey. You better say hey. Say hey, everybody. You growling at me.
First time I heard about Rudy Ray Moore must be,
Man,
I don't know, maybe
hey, Dada.
in my 20s.
Hey.
20s. Well,
You mad?
because I wasn't allowed to listen
Yeah.
to the sinners' records like other people. Yes, he's the non-church-going people. Yes.
She got a little attitude problem.
As a Baptist boy, I wasn't allowed to listen to all of those.
You mad? You mad? You mad? You want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? No, you want to talk to me. It's your interview right now. You finna talk to me. I don't care because you mad.
They popped the VHS tape in the VCR, and then we spent the next
Hey, Nana.
hour of our lives.
You mad?
It was longer than that, certainly, but we spent the next hour of our lives either laughing
You mad?
hysterically or our mouths agape. It was either or if we could, like,
You mad at me?
watching, how did this get made?
What kind of influence was Rudy
So
Ray Moore to
cute.
you getting started?
Well, he wasn't an influence on me. My big creative influence was Richard
All right.
Pryor.
Let me put you back on the titty. Yeah.
Early on, I was aware that Richard was the best. And so I knew about Rudy. And because I knew Richard was the ceiling, I knew the difference with them. I was like, okay, I like Rudy for different reasons.
These my
He was kind of like
kids.
the underground.
I'm telling you.
He wasn't an inspiration. As a kid, he became inspirational.